Hey there, and welcome to SnakeByte, the channel where we automate the boring stuff using Python. In this video, we'll explore one of the most powerful techniques every developer should know, web scraping. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and show you how to build your first scraper using just a few lines of Python. Whenever you want to grab data from a website, monitor prices, or build a custom data feed, this is your getaway. So guys, what is web scraping? Simply put, it's a way to extract data from a website using code, instead of copying and pasting by hand. Imagine you want the last new headlines, product prices, or job listings. With scraping, you automate it all. You send a request to a website, download the HTML, parse it, and extract what you need. This is especially useful for research, monitoring trends, automation, and even competitive analysis. Pay attention. Always respect the site terms of use and check its robots.txt file. Not everything is legally scrapable. To get started, you'll need just three things: Python installed, the requests module to download web pages, BeautifulSoup or XML to parse and extract data from HTML. On next videos, we will discuss what better: BeautifulSoup, XML or selectors. For installing these modules, you need to write command pip install. After that, name of these modules, like requests, add, BeautifulSoup. After that, press enter. Okay, when we see successfully installed BeautifulSoup and requests, this module is successfully installed. Okay, let's grab the front page of Hacker News and grab all the articles titles. Okay guys, on first line we import already installed module request for sending a request on website. On the second line we import class BeautifulSoup from module bs4. On this line we just collect website URL into variable. On next line we just get an HTML page using request with method get. That we create instance of BeautifulSoup with the first argument is HTML code and second is the name of parser. After that we select all span blocks with class title line and get all siblings a tags like a links. After that we just printing results. Text of this h link. And here we have all of this. And I congratulate you, you have just scrapped your first site. But it was simple construction for beginners, but now will be more correct version. Okay, some about this code. Similar imports, like first example, max retries, how much times we can make requests to one page. After that, function parse titles, which have first argument HTML, like str type, and returns a list or bulls. After that, drag the block for handling all errors, creating similar soup, extract titles. After that, get all title texts for title in titles and return this result. If we handle expect exception, we will print information like accepted error on Parsing HTML for understanding in which function this error will be, and show this text of this exception and return false. After that, we have a function get page with URL. On the loop, we have attempt in range macro tries. On start, we print in attempt and URL of getting page. Get response. This block of code writes exception if response status code unequal to 100 status code, and return response text. If we handle exception, we print similar info like unexpected error on getting page with text of this exception and return false. And main, this entry point for this program, we have just URL, getting HTML using a function get page with this URL. If not HTML understands the exception, we print just no HTML font and exit from this program with one error. After that, we get a result using function parse titles with HTML. If not result, we similar print that no titles found and exit with one error and just printed. And this construction is entry point like when we call the main function. And we see our logs like first attempt getting page successfully, and see similar result like on first example of code. Congrats, you just built your first web scraper. In the next video, we'll dive deeper scraping JavaScript powered website, bypassing anti-bot measure, and working with APIs. Drop a comment below what kind of site would you like to scrape next. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to SnakeByte for more clean, practical Python content. Thank you.